Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make mouth-watering keto pasta from scratch. Ingredients 80 are 2 or 3 cup vital wheat gluten sun 90c or half 2 and a half, 3 cup lupin flour 5g ETSP salt T 1g or C and 5 xanthan crummer, 1 large egg, beaten 12 ml or 1 TBSP extra virgin olive oil 88.7 E SKG, 96g water. In a mixing bowl, combine the vital wheat gluten, lupin flour, salt, and xanthan gum. Give it a good mix to ensure all the dry ingredients are well incorporated. Now let's add in the beaten egg and extra virgin olive oil. Gradually pour in the water while kneading the mixture. Keep kneading until a smooth dough forms. Time to roll out our dough. Dust your working surface with lupin flour to prevent sticking. Roll out the dough to your desired thickness and cut it into your preferred pasta shape. You can go for fettuccine, linguine, or even make fun shapes. And bring a pot of water to a boil and add a pinch of salt. Carefully drop in the pasta and cook for about 2-3 minutes. Since it's fresh pasta, it cooks quickly. Once done, drain the pasta and get ready for the best part. Plate up your keto pasta, and you're ready to enjoy a delicious low-carb, high-protein meal. Whether you're topping it with your favorite keto-friendly sauce or enjoying it with some sautéed veggies, this pasta is sure to impress your taste buds. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven, science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.